Good morning, student. Welcome to hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Master Rakesh. This is the question of simple interest part 15. There are two banks, A and B. One bank name is A, another bank is B. Okay, that offers rate of interest as 10% and 12% respectively. This is offering 10%. This is offering 12% respectively. ROI, R equal to this, R equal to this. Okay, so you have invested equal sum in both the equal sum means principal here also let principal be x, here also principal be x. Investment means principal, borrowed money or investment means principal. Okay, if you receive 120 more from bank B after 6 years, so time period is 6 years, and here also time period is 6 years. Okay, so we'll solve it in a very easy way. You receive 120 more from bank B. Okay, whatever. So how after 6 years, how much money was invested in each bank? Okay, 126 rupees you are getting, means whatever you are getting here, plus 120 you will be getting here. Okay, plus 120 more. So we will see that calculation after. First we will calculate the SI equal to P into R into T upon 100, X into R T into T 6 upon 100. Okay, 0 से 0 cancel, 10 6 तो 6 upon 10 0.6 x. So the SI become 0.6x. Here you calculate the SI equal to P into R, P x into R 12 into T 6 upon 100. 12 6 the 72x upon 100. It means 2 zeros 2 place, the 0.72x. Okay, 0.72 x, and the first SI is 0.6x. So it is given that interest from B is 120 more than A. So interest from B is 120 more than A. So A interest from B is 120 more than A, means this minus this equal to 120, minus 0.6x equal to 120. This is it is saying like this minus this equal to 120. Okay, so 0.72x, देखो minus, how to do the minus? 0.72x, leave the x for the time being, x variable. 0.6, here nothing is, you can place the 0. 2 minus 0 2, 7 minus 6 1, point ka point 0.12x, so it becomes 0.12x equal to 120. so x equal to 120 upon 0.12, 2 place decimal, so multiply by 100, 0.12 into 100. Okay, so it becomes the lower one becomes 12. We'll solve it here. Lower one becomes, it becomes 12000. Lower one becomes 12. 12 1 12, 1000. It becomes 1000. So rupees 1000 was invested in each bank. So it means rupees 1000 was invested in each bank. So this is the answer for this question. Very beautiful question, very nice question. Do like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much.